Two viral video editing platforms, loved by creators everywhere. But which one truly wins in 2025? On the left, VEED.io, the all-in-one online video editor. And on the right, Submagic, blasting out viral AI captions and super fast edits. Let's skip the hype and get into what actually matters. We'll score each category, so you'll see who really comes out on top, feature by feature. And trust me, the winner might surprise you. Let's break it down category by category. We're comparing features, AI superpowers, pricing, ease of use, and who each one is best for. Ready? Let's jump in. First up, features. So VEED basically gives you the full video editor experience right in your browser. We're talking trimming, transitions, effects, like all the fun stuff, but also collab tools, auto subtitles, even translations, which is pretty sweet. If you're a team, you'll actually appreciate the in-browser teamwork. Oh, and background noise removal using AI. Nice. But okay, I gotta say, VEED will slow down if you toss really massive files in. And unless you're paying, you'll see watermarks. Also, while it's pretty advanced for online tools, it doesn't always reach the level of, like, Premiere Pro. But I mean, what does? Now, Submagic. This thing is like the mad scientist of fast clips. Its AI auto-generates subtitles super fast. Highlights for your Reels or TikToks, all done by AI. Basically, captions, zooms, music. One click and boom. Your clip is ready to go viral. Honestly, it's so friendly for beginners. The flip side, you can't really do the cinematic multi-layer stuff. It's more about speed and social impact than deep editing, and it only runs in your browser. So for features, VEED packs more punch, but Submagic wins for speed and ease. In this round, VEED snags the edge. Now, let's talk about their AI superpowers. On VEED, you get AI-powered subtitles and translations, plus background noise removal. It's more like having a smart assistant than a robot editor. It's solid, but you still have to set things up yourself. It doesn't just spit out viral edits by magic, you know? Submagic, on the other hand, this thing is full-on, let the AI do it king. It actually analyzes your video and finds the viral moments, adds stylish animated captions, even auto-cuts everything for TikTok or Shorts. It's like upload and watch the magic happen. Just keep in mind it works best for talking head or conversational content. If you want more control or scripted stuff, it's, not really its thing. But wow, if you just want viral, fast, and automatic, Submagic is on another level. So here, Submagic is definitely the AI winner. All right, money talk. Pricing. VEED offers a free plan, and you can upgrade by tiers, so you can really dial up what you need. But the free version, yeah, you get watermarks and export limits. Kind of expected. If you're a team, it's going to rack up cost quick. Submagic's model is super simple. Free trial, then upgrade for longer exports. No truly free tier, but their paid stuff is clear and doesn't get confusing. It's honestly a tie here. Both have their quirks, but you're going to need to pay if you want pro results. Quick pause. Did you know Submagic is trusted by over 100 top creators? Yeah, including Grant Cardone and Ali Abdaal. I mean, that's some pretty big name dropping. Time for ease of use. So VEED is drag and drop, no downloads. It's really friendly, but honestly, the more features you pile on, the more you're clicking around. It can be a little busy if you just want to get in and out quickly. Submagic, wildly intuitive. You upload your video, and the AI does the rest. Minimal learning curve, tons of one-click automation. But if you're a control freak, you'll probably wish for a few more manual dials. Still, for most people, Submagic makes editing almost, like, effortless. Ease of use. The win goes to Submagic. Let's wrap with best four. VEED is like the Swiss Army knife for business teams, marketers, creators who need a one-stop online video shop. If you want to do it all or work with others, VEED has you covered. But if you're only trying to prep snappy clips or add captions, it might feel like overkill. Submagic is the one for solo creators, social managers, or anyone desperate for instant viral edits. Seriously, it's so snappy. But sharing projects across big teams, not really what it's built for. So in this category, VEED takes it for being more versatile for teams and full-service editing. With all these categories mapped out, you can really see VEED's a powerhouse for full editing, especially for teams, while Submagic rules if you care about speed, captions, and viral-ready edits. The radar chart just makes the winner in each area pop. So here's my honest take. If collaboration and deep editing are top of your list, VEED is a beast for power users and teams. But if you just want to smash out viral clips with awesome captions, literally no learning required, Submagic is the dream tool, especially for short-form content. It really depends what you need. For quick social edits, Submagic wins hands down. For full-scale editing, VEED's your safe bet. If you want to support our channel, feel free to use our affiliate link given in the video description. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.